The Chandra X-ray Observatory.
Is that a telescope?
Yeah, it's an observatory that like telescope. Anyway, listen, can record pressure waves in space, okay, that are emitted by stars. But they recorded recently in the last few years pressure waves that were emitted by the nearest black hole. You can listen online what a black hole sounds like.
Didn't it? It was like
Mate,
a really
it is
creepy
the
noise.
freakiest
Cat
noise.
throwing up.
No, it doesn't sound anything like what Jared just said.
No,
But it's like what you would expect to hear if, like in the deep ocean. Like it's
yeah,
eerie.
that's good. That's a good way to put it.
It is.